How does Meshtastic send messages from miles, totally off-grid? Well, let's break it down.
Okay, so your radio's range is 5 miles, but your friend is 20 miles away. How's that message going to get there?
It's kind of like a walkie-talkie, but for texts, and it has this one incredible superpower.
That superpower, it's all about nodes. See, every device on the network can act as a little stepping stone.
So your message doesn't just go direct, it actually hops from one node to the next. Think of it like a relay race.
And that chain of devices all helping each other out, that's the mesh network. It's the secret sauce.
But, to keep things from getting chaotic, there's a really important rule, the hop limit. The default, it's 3.
The official docs are super clear on this. For pretty much everything, 3 is the magic number. It's the perfect balance.
Sure, you can set it higher, up to 7, but that's just bad form. It spams the whole network. Okay, so a question for you. How does the message know which nodes to pick? Does it have a map?
Well, here's the crazy part. It doesn't. It uses a technique called flooding. It basically just shouts it out.
So forget a direct phone call. Think of your node as a town crier, yelling the message to everyone nearby.
And then, any node that hears it becomes its own town crier, passing it along. Pretty cool, right?
So, why does this matter? Well, your node isn't just for you. By being on, you're helping everyone else.
Seriously, every single node makes the whole mesh stronger. You're literally part of the infrastructure.
That's the beauty of it. You're not just on the network, you are the network. So, who will you connect with?